Hi, I'm Sean Bailey, Cephesa Certified Master Technician and Trainer for General Parts, and today we're going to be covering the ice thickness probe Circuitry Diagnostics on a Manitowoc ice maker. So if the unit's not going into harvest, I can check my ice thickness probe. If I press it up against the evaporator, my light should come on. If the light doesn't come on, I want to see if it's my probe or my board. I will unplug the probe. I'm going to put just a alligator clip on here and touch this to any metal surface inside. My light should come on again. If it does, that tells me that my probe is bad. If the light doesn't come on when you ground it out, the board itself is faulty.